How to make money online through AI. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence AI can be used to make money online. AI has revolutionized many industries, and now it's changing the way we can earn a living. With the rise of AI-powered platforms and tools, making money online has become more accessible and efficient than ever before. We'll look at some of the ways that AI can help you make money online, such as by automating tasks, analyzing data, and providing personalized recommendations to customers. We'll also discuss the potential risks and challenges of using AI for online business and how to overcome them. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start a new online venture or simply looking for ways to earn extra income online, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies on how to leverage the power of AI for financial success. So let's get started and explore some ways to make money online through AI. Number 1. Developing AI-powered products. In the age of digital transformation, AI-powered products are quickly becoming the norm. Developing AI-powered products is a great way to make money online through AI. There are a variety of products that you can develop using AI, including chatbots, voice assistants, and recommendation engines. One of the benefits of developing AI-powered products is that they can improve user experience by providing personalized recommendations and 24/7 customer support. This leads to increased customer satisfaction and can help boost sales and customer loyalty. To develop AI-powered products, you will need to have a solid understanding of machine learning and programming languages such as Python or R. There are also a number of tools and frameworks available that can help simplify the development process, including TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. Once you have developed your AI-powered product, you can monetize it in a variety of ways. One option is to offer it as a subscription service or charge a one-time fee for access. Another option is to sell the product to businesses or other organizations who could benefit from the AI-powered features. Overall, developing AI-powered products is a great way to make money online through AI. With the increasing demand for AI-powered products, the opportunities in this field are only expected to grow in the coming years. Number 2. Offer AI consulting service. One of the lucrative ways to make money online through AI is by offering AI consulting services. As AI is becoming more prevalent across various industries, companies are seeking guidance on how to implement AI in their business processes. By providing expert AI consulting services, you can help these companies develop and execute AI strategies that align with their business goals. To offer AI consulting services, you need to have in-depth knowledge of AI technologies and their applications. You should also have experience in implementing AI solutions in various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and retail. Your expertise will enable you to identify the best AI solutions that fit the specific needs of your clients and help them to implement them seamlessly. To market your AI consulting services, you can create a website that showcases your experience and expertise in the AI field. You can also create content such as blogs, white papers, and case studies that educates potential clients on the benefits of AI and how it can help their businesses. You can also attend industry conferences and events to network with potential clients and other AI experts. Overall, offering AI consulting services can be a highly profitable way to make money online through AI. As AI continues to transform various industries, there will be an increasing demand for expert AI consultants who can help companies navigate the AI landscape and implement effective AI strategies. Number 3, participate in AI marketplaces. Create and sell AI-generated content. Artificial intelligence is increasingly being used to create high-quality content, including articles, videos, images, and even music. As such, creating and selling AI-generated content can be a lucrative way to make money online. There are several AI tools available that allow users to generate content quickly and easily. One example of AI-generated content is text. AI tools can be used to create high-quality articles, product descriptions, and even marketing copy. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and mimic human language, resulting in content that is indistinguishable from that written by humans. Another example of AI-generated content is images. The AI tools can create realistic images of people, animals, objects, and even entire landscapes. These images can be used for a variety of purposes, including website design, marketing, and advertising. Videos are also a popular form of AI-generated content. AI tools can be used to create explainer videos, product demos, and even full-length films. These tools use machine learning to analyze and stitch together existing footage, resulting in a polished and professional-looking final product. Finally, AI-generated music is also gaining popularity. AI tools can create original compositions in a wide range of genres, from classical to electronic dance music. These compositions can be used for background music in videos, podcasts, and even video games. Overall, creating and selling AI-generated content is a viable way to make money online. As AI technology continues to improve, the possibilities for generating high-quality content are endless. Number 4, become an AI reseller. Becoming an AI reseller involves finding an established AI company that allows third-party resellers to sell their AI products and services. As a reseller, you act as a middleman between the AI company and potential customers, promoting and selling their products to interested parties. By becoming an AI reseller, you can leverage the expertise and resources of an established AI company without having to develop and market your own AI products. This can be a great option for those who are new to the AI industry or who have limited resources but still want to capitalize on the growing demand for AI technology. To become a successful AI reseller, it's important to find an AI company that offers high quality products and has a good reputation in the industry. You will also need to have strong sales skills and be able to effectively communicate the benefits of the AI products to potential customers. That's for today's video, friends. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more interesting topics like this.